the core of this control system, beyond your presidents and your prime ministers and the here today, gone tomorrow people, at the core of it, in the inside of the inside, at the center of the spider's web, they understand how reality works, what it is, at our level anyway, how to program the body computer system to decode reality to fit their agenda, and all the things necessary to keep us in a low vibrational state. I mean, you know, they're even talking now about putting psychoactive drugs, but mind changing drugs into the water supply. I mean, it's just, it does smack of desperation, because what worked before, what could tick over before, and they didn't have a problem in keeping people in prison states because people were in that mental arena of being asleep. It doesn't work anymore. They have to. What we're seeing with this increasing Orwellian manipulation of what we eat, by the vibrational state, the chemtrails, and all the rest of it, they're having to try harder and harder and harder to keep us in this imbalanced, distorted coma state. And of course, for them, it's only going to get harder and harder and harder as the information change impacts ever more powerfully upon human awareness.